Hello 5th class, by special request, page 123, question 11. So we know that Lily ran a total of 35 kilometres between Saturday and Sunday. Let's write that down, that seems important. So 35 kilometres was her total for both days. That's the 2 days together. She ran 0.6 of it on Saturday. So Saturday, she ran 0.6, which is the same as 6/10. So then I can work out that on Sunday, she must have run 0.4 or 4/10, because I need my fractions to add up to 1, don't I? So 6/10 and 4/10 would make 10/10. That's the whole lot. So it's asking me, how far did she run on Sunday? Well, on Sunday she ran 4/10 of the whole distance. How do we find 4/10 of 35 kilometres? First of all, we find 1/10. 1/10 would equal 35 divided by 10, which is 3.5. We move our decimal point one place in. And then on Sunday she ran 4/10 of that, which would be my 3.5 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, and 2 is 14. One decimal place. So she ran 14 kilometres. If I want to check that, I could work out how far she ran on Saturday, my 6/10, which would be 3.5 times 6. 6 5s are 30, carry the 3. 6 3s are 18, and 3 is 21. One place. So that far on Saturday, and if I add those two totals together, I should get 35, which was the whole distance. So there's 0, 5, 3, there we go. That's how far she ran on Sunday.